thing to learn for our lesson today is to learn key of C.
Okay.
There are 7 major chords, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay.
I was a flute player for 3 years before
There
this,
you
so
go.
I
So
can
you
read
have-
music.
So you have now, and so give me first the background in your music. You are a flute player, and you have you know the notes, how to read notes and everything perfect. That's good.
All the keys, 60 signatures.
Okay. How about you? So that
I gave her a mini lesson in the car.
Okay. So what I'm going to give you for now is to play for the key of C.
Okay.
What you do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you can put your hand.
Trace them?
Yeah, we'll trace your hand right there because we're going to put the number in there. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the key of C, I will show you, this is very important because this is how are we going to understand the principle of how key of C happened. And you will draw how many strings is a guitar. Is your
6.
guitar. Your key of C will be here. 1, 2, 3. So your key of C is right there. So this one here is your ring finger. So the ring finger will be here, which is the 2, and then the middle finger will be here, which is the 3, and then the index will be here, which is the 4. Okay, so you're using 2, 3, and 4. The way you position your fingers is using your tip of your finger here. Later on, it will, is the splinter? Yeah, and then before it develops your callus. Yeah, it really hurts. That's why at least you will have 4 hours a day. Actually 8 hours. How are you going to split that hours every day? I know you guys are busy. Before you can do the movements of your fingers, there are some kind of exercises that I'm going to show you first. So this is C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you will notice too, there's a space right there. The only one that's holding the strings and the neck of your guitar is the thumb, which is pushing forward. See the pressure right there? The 3 fingers, the one pulling this one, so you really have to press it. You really have to press it. That's why, see, there's a mark right there already. So that's what will happen. And that one, if you are a beginner, it will hurt. Okay, so that's the position. It's not like this. You will not embrace the neck like that or hold the neck with your hands like this. It's like this.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like that. So I'll show you the camera, and you can do this. The other room. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So that will be the first lesson. Because what will happen to your key of C, key of F, you'll just move your two black dots right there, which is the ring and the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay. If you can go to the other room and practice that one. Okay, we will tune first the bass guitar, and on your app, tool, song, boom, 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 tune, boom. There you go, and then you can change this to bass. 5 string, there's 4 string. Okay, and then we'll start from the E. E. So it's for the key of G is right there, the D, the A, and the E. So we're tuned. Basic is you can use your middle, it's easier. Now this is the one that you use. The skin right there. That's how you position your finger when you play the bass. It's pointing up. Okay. So and then you place your thumb here
At the top of
this one.
Okay.
Some bass guitar has a small thing right here. That's where they put their thumb. But this one is already there. So what you do, using your two fingers, for now, at the professional they use 4 fingers right there. But for this time, we just use 2 fingers, as if your index and the middle is just walking like that. Bam, 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 bam. So we will do the exercises first. I forgot to show her the exercises too. Okay, what you do for your fingers here is to spread in each frets, the index there, first fret, second fret is the middle, ring, and pinky, which is the exercises will be. If you can do that every day, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what your right hand is doing. So actually, you don't need to look on your right hand and your left hand what they're doing. Once you establish this one by just doing that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can concentrate here because this is the hardest part to learn. 1. If you can do this every day, because the chords for here is very easy actually. When you play the C, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use also because this one is C also. Higher octave, lower octave C. The same sound. Okay. Let's do this first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or there's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, 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 bam. 2, 3, 4. The only time you play the chord is on the count 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is very easy. So, but for you to really advance on making your fingers flexible is the exercises, which is you can do it slow, which is, if you will notice, I'm not using the tip of my fingers. You see the mark right there? The mark will be on this side here, which is and also the same. You're not there's a space right there. Your thumb is the one pushing forward. Your 4 fingers pulling it, so you can build that pressure right there. You can create the right tone, which is F, F sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. And you can do fast. When you do this fast already, you're ready to play. And then you do the reverse. Or if you're gonna do it every day, just do that. I'm telling you, yeah, you the ABCD will be easy because playing the G, once you know where is your C, where is your F, or F here also, F there too. See, your G here. which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. Go to F. Ba 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 ba. Or ba ba ba. This is the same F, and then G. Ba 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 ba. Or you can add a little flavor. There. See, that's why you can do this. Once you already master this one, your finger will be very flexible already. When you go to C, those are only the intervals. Bam, 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 bam. Let's do the C. I will play the chord C, and then what you do only position your finger here, your hands here, and if you will notice also, the position of my hands is something like the one that's moving only the fingers. You let this thumb rest there. It will rest there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. F. Ba 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 ba. G. Ba ba. Let's try that. Okay, I will play count of 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you will be on the 1.
This one?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1. Okay. In the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And if you will notice. Okay, don't move. It's just I will show you position of your hands. All right. Okay, that's the one. Because what very important is really the one pushing is your thumb. Yeah, and the position of your bass. Position of your bass would be this. It's straight here, not leaning like that. Yeah, like that. Yes. And your ribs right there on the side. Yeah. And then put that one on the side right there, and then using your index. Index will be the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Okay, let's play that together. I will play. Okay. Okay. In the count of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Okay. Count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's been a minute since I've been in
Okay.
band. Sorry.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me see. You play the C, F, G. It will be 2 times on C, 2 times on F, and 2 times on G, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, which is 1 bar. So 4, 4 is 8 counts, which is 1 bar. Okay, let's do that, because the next step will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So we will connect the 4 ones. It will be alternate, but this one is, let's do the 1 first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, And C.
So we start here.
Yeah, that one. Okay. Count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right. Okay. Let's try one more time. Okay. Okay. And count of 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful, right? So creating a melody out of the 3 chords. Once we invite Noel here later on, I will check it one more time, but do the exercises. So the chords for the bass is really not that hard, but the exercises to make your finger really flexible. If you can do these exercises, and I'll go to the other side. Okay, I want you to do this. Okay, this would be the exercises. The exercises will be, okay. This one is just walking like that, okay? Okay. So that will be the, for your right hand, it should be just like this. For your left hand is, and then the thumb, position of your thumb is like that. You have an open space right there. Okay, and thumb will be here. Okay. Every day, if you can do that. Or one time. Reverse. Every day. Okay, I will just visit and check how's Noel doing there. All right, you're busy, and I will check that out. Okay.